So you have a tree you need to take down, like this one, right? And then when you drop that tree, what do you do with the stump? It just kind of sits there. You can hire someone to grind it down, but I'm going to show you a kind of a cool way to upgrade your tree stump in a really beautiful way. You ready? GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. Hey, real quick here, this video is sponsored by Troy-Bilt. Opinions are mine. Ready? Here we go.
You look prepared.
Safety first. So why does this tree even have to come down? Well, the lack of bark might be a sign there. This is an ash tree, and it has the emerald ash borer is killing the ash trees in the Northeast. You can tell that because, well, frankly, the bark is coming off. And these trees, you know it's dying when they start to die from the top. It might still have leaves on it, but the ends of the limbs are leafless, and that's a big sign you have emerald ash borer. Plus, this just peels off.
It's a sign.
Well, like this. So our plan here is to drop this tree. Super safety first, okay? Ear protection, eye protection, safety glasses, chaps, gloves, steel-toed boots. I have a whole video about that. Don't be stupid, be smart.
And dogs away.
Keep your dogs away.
You have to stay there. Stay. Good girl. Alrighty.
It didn't reach the house.
Tree is down, stump is ready, but wait, we've got an awful lot of wood here to work on as well. But thankfully, there's some very cool tools that Troy-Bilt sent us. So one length, 16-inch, that diameter, we get that much wood. It's gonna make everyone really happy. Ash is really hard, it burns nice, and we have quite a bit of it. But we have this to clean it up. Isn't a graceful way to take this off, is there? This is great. It just keeps going. I'm gonna do this the next couple of weekends. I actually really like log splitting. I listen to podcasts while I split wood. You could listen to GardenFork Radio, my podcast. You can check that out. But let's go over and figure out how we're gonna beautify the tree stump, because that's what this is really all about, right? Here we go. All right, now we have a stump. What do you do with the stump? A lot of people will grind them into the ground or try and cut them flat. I was thinking something else. The log splitter came in on a pallet, right? Pallet wood planter. What do you think? The camera operator is coming. She'll tell us what she thinks.
What are you doing?
I'm making something out of nothing. It's going to be a beautiful thing. It already is a beautiful thing because it's nature, and we're going to add nature to nature and make a tree stump planter and repurpose wood and old wood. This is like super uber good. I think this is a great idea.
I do too. That's a nice sound. Is that a long enough screw?
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. I mean, we're not in an earthquake zone, so.
Are you gonna have the tops be even, like kind of those whiskey barrel things, or are you gonna have them go like jaggedy?
Well, there's going to be a certain GardenFork imperfection to this, but
There already is.
I mean, this is all about just going out and do stuff, and
So you got thick, thin going on there?
yeah, it's just kind of
Is that the pattern?
a hot mess, like you know who.
Hello, Charlie Pop.
This is a beautiful thing.
It's so Eric.
Look, I'm all about simple and use what you got. And this is simple, and we're using what we got. We got a tree stump, we got pallet wood.
You got firewood.
Yeah, and we got a lot of firewood. Go on.
What's that hole you've got left?
That'll fill up.
With
That won't fall out.
Fill up with what?
It's the imperfect how-to GardenFork. So
The dirt's
while we've
gonna
been
fall.
filming this, the camera operator has been laughing at me. And I like this. And you do too, right? You'll let me know in the comments. This isn't going in as elegantly as I thought it would. But add some potting soil mix, container mix. We're gonna put in some plants that stand direct sunlight and are perennials and are good at, they don't require a lot of water. I did not think about color coordination when I picked these, obviously.
No, those are good.
Look at that, it goes right in. That pops right out. I wonder if just the coneflowers, we bought some other flowers, but I'm wondering if just the coneflowers, I got 3 coneflowers, let's put them all 3 in and see what it looks like.
They're nice. They look very, very woodsy.
Because we're in the woods. So what do you think? I think maybe just the coneflowers, just the 3 coneflowers might do it. I mean, we bought other plants, but what do you think? Here's our mulch. This is gonna keep the moisture in because it's a container, so the moisture evaporate right quick. It's nice that the chipper goes right into this big bag. About an inch layer would be good for this. I think this works well just with the 3 bunches of the coneflower. What do you all think? I mean, this was really a fun project. I learned a lot here. I think that we should continue this conversation in the next video here, which could very well be the behind the scenes video of how I made this all come together. That is exciting. So I'll see you in the next video. We'll keep doing this, keep having fun with GardenFork, right here.